Hi there, it's George here, and today I have to repot these plants which grow here in this pot together. But I noticed they are doing very well, and I decided to grow them separately. This plant was gifted to me by a friend in my city, and I made then video, and I'm gonna leave the link in description. So here are Sanseveria and need to repot. This is a kind of peperomia, and it's a kind of rare plant. This is a cactus and should not grow with these plants, you know. And Sempervivum. They are looking beautiful, but I want them to grow in these pots. As you can see, the cacti I will put in this plastic pot, you know, and I made holes already. So just let's do it. Let's try Repotting Sempervivum first. I'm gonna use a universal potting soil from the store, you know, with pH 5 to 5.6 to 5. That's it. Let's add on this pot on the bottom here. Now I will try to dig the Sempervivum plant. I remove it easily. As you can see, it have a baby. With this one I finished. Now it's time to repot Peperomia. I finished with Peperomia, and now let's plant this cactus. I usually the cacti plant quite deep. I finished with this cactus. I have many cactus plants, and this one I write it here. It is from my friend, and I have to put here. Remaining to plant Sanseveria, and I'm done. It doesn't have so much root system, but in this pot it will grow. It's time for watering, but I will water only the Sanseveria and this Peperomia with rainwater, not much water, and at the room temperature. Well, this is the final result, and let's see close up how this beautiful plant looks like now after repotting. Here is the Peperomia, and it's very beautiful, and now looking forward to see when you grow. The Sanseveria plant I planted so deep, and now waiting for the new leaves. Beautiful. This Sempervivum with a baby here, and on the top as well something growing. Not sure if it is flower or leaves, anyway. And the beautiful cacti here, not sure what variety is it, but looking forward to grow, and in the time we will see. Thanks a lot for watching this video to the end, that really means a lot for my channel, and greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Plant power. Bye bye.